Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into Development Bank of the Philippines online banking. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log into DBP online banking, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Development Bank of Philippines. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Then once you're inside your DPP, here what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar. Then here you'll find an option that says online banking. Then select the DPP digital banking portal and then tap on OK, and you'll be prompted to the login portal of the DPP. Then all you gotta do is just simply enter in your corporate code, then your user ID, then your password, and then simply tap on login. And then DBP may send a one-time password to your registered mobile number. Simply enter the OTP correctly to proceed. Then after verification, your DBP online banking dashboard will open and you can now check your account balance, make local and international transfers, pay bills, and download statements and manage your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.